Once upon a time, in a cozy little toy box, lived Mr. Potato Head. He was a funny little fellow, made of plastic parts that could be moved and switched around. One night, as the toys lay quiet, Mr. Potato Head had a dream. In his dream, he found himself in a magical garden, filled with vegetable friends just like him. There were Mrs. Carrot, Mr. Cucumber, and even Miss Celery. They were all having a grand tea party, and Mr. Potato Head was invited too. "Welcome, Mr. Potato Head," said Mrs. Carrot, offering him a seat. "We've been waiting for you." Mr. Potato Head was amazed. He had never seen such a beautiful place before. He sat down, and the vegetables introduced him to all their friends, including Mr. Radish and Miss Pea. Suddenly, a loud noise startled everyone. It was Mr. Broccoli, who had accidentally knocked over a teacup. "Oh dear," he said, "I'm so sorry." Mr. Potato Head, who was usually quite serious, couldn't help but laugh. The vegetable friends laughed too, and Mr. Potato Head realized that he was having the best time of his life. As the sun began to set, it was time for the vegetables to return to their homes. Mr. Potato Head said goodbye to his new friends, promising to visit again soon. When he woke up, Mr. Potato Head found himself back in the toy box. He smiled, feeling happier than ever before. From that day on, he cherished his dreams even more, knowing that they could take him on the most wonderful adventures. And so, every night, Mr. Potato Head would close his eyes and dream of his vegetable friends, eagerly waiting for another exciting adventure in the magical garden. The end.